If you want to learn all fundamental particle physics, you would first need to know that the world we live in is governed by four forces: the string forces, weak forces, electromagnetic forces, and gravitational forces. We have quantum description for three of these forces. Of these forces, odd one out gravity, for which there is no quantum theory as yet, but is so weak there is does not have a significant effect at the quantum level. Since the other forces overpower it, so it is generally ignoring quantum calculation. But after almost 100 years of scientific progress, we can very accurately describe the other three forces. In terms of quantum field theory, these theories explain how particles like quark and electron interact with each other. Why these three forces? Each force is mediated by a force carrier, also called a mediator. The electromagnetic force is mediated by the photon. The weak force is by the W boson and W bosons, and the strong forces by the gluons. In a quantum field theory, we represented each of these mediator particles with a field. For example, the photon field mediator, the electromagnetic force between electricity charged particles like electrons. Other fundamental particles of the Standard Model are also represented by their own respectively field, and their field can interact with each other. Thus the photon field can interact with the electron field, causing the repulsion of two electrons. For example, if we generalize this concept of force carrying particle interact with other particles, we can get all fundamental particle physics. We can take space-time, add a quantum field for each type of fermion like a quark, add quantum field for appropriate boson like gluons that mediate the force that the quark is subject, and we can get all greatest representation how it all work. This theory can be complicated, but American physicist Richard Feynman came up the ingenious way to representation these interaction and what is now called Feynman diagram. And even though these diagrams represent complicated mathematical equation, they can be visualized into wordly and drawn. For any process, use some simple rule if you want to understand all fundamental particle physics with the help of these simple into wordly Feynman diagram. Thanks for all.